así no. Así no. Oye, así no, que vas a mandar a uno.
And the car's literally swerving all over the place. So you can see it doesn't.
Cyclist crashes the back.
Yeah.
Però me lo coglione. Mannaggia la puttana vostra bastarda. Però me lo coglione. Mannaggia la puttana vostra bastarda. Ma manco ci devi andare, almeno guarda.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're not going anywhere.
Dude, stop.
No, listen, you're not leaving. You're not leaving. You're not leaving.
Is it fair to say you were probably worked up at his window?
Yeah, because he wouldn't roll down his window.
Why would you, if someone comes to your door and is knocking on your door and you can see them visibly worked up, are you going to open that door for them?
I'd roll down my window.
Okay, I've watched people get punched for doing that.
Oh, the police, you're not leaving. You're not leaving.
I'm going to issue you one for disorderly conduct as well.
I won't press charges.
It's too late.
Oh, come on, man. I was the victim here.
Right. We can go a different way and you can be arrested for disorderly conduct. You get a demand that they don't go anywhere. You don't get to open their door.
I didn't open his door.
You did 3 times.
No, he was trying to close his door.
He closed it because you kept opening it. He's under no obligation to you.